Now guys, this broth tastes so good. I'm definitely not gonna waste this broth. You can actually drink this broth if you don't feel good. It's so good, guys. You can actually drink this broth like just like a pepper soup. I'm not gonna definitely throw this broth. You can actually make it. You can boil some noodles. You can boil some noodles and make chicken noodle soup. Just the broth itself. You can use it for chicken noodle soup. You could just boil some spaghetti or some noodles and just use this broth. If you guys want to see how I'm gonna use this broth, stay tuned for another video. It will probably be a short video that I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this broth. This broth cannot be thrown away. It tastes so good. It can definitely be used as another meal to make soup. You can add some potatoes in it and add some potato and add some noodles in it and just make soup out of it. But I will definitely show you guys. I will make a video on this, how I'm using this broth. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss out on that video. I'll be showing you what I'm going to be using for this broth, and stay tuned and keep that in mind. That video will be coming next. Hello everyone, welcome to Dada's FoodCrave kitchen. The intro speaks for itself. I promise that I will show you guys what I was going to do with that broth from my last video when I was making my pepper chicken. That was the broth that I am going to use into this recipe. I am not going to talk much. I welcome you all for tuning into my channel. As you can see, I am going to make this recipe with chicken breast. Feel free to make it with a whole chicken leg, drumstick or whatever. So I just decide to use chicken breast to just make the video quick and simple. So I have here my chicken breast. I'm already washed it, rinsed it off when I bought it from the store. I'm going to cut them in a decent size, cube size. Okay, from my last video, this was from my last video. I'm gonna make this recipe and I'm gonna use the broth that I used to make my peppered chicken. All right, so I would say this is a homemade chicken broth that I'm gonna turn around and make it into a recipe. It's like a recycle, make it into a recipe, because I said earlier, if you already watched that video, I'm not going to throw that broth away because I'm going to use it for another recipe, and there it is. After cutting up my chicken in cubes, I'm simply going to use adobo seasoning, which is some all-purpose adobo seasoning. Use any all-purpose seasoning of your choice and just simply season the chicken, put that aside and let it season for at least half an hour. Here I have 3 fresh tomato and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. Adjust the spice to your own liking. I'm going to go ahead and add this into my blender, add a little bit of water and just blend it away. All right, until everything turned to a puree. Yes, as I promised, this was from my previous video when I made my peppered chicken. I said I was not going to throw the broth away. If you want to see what I'm going to be using it for, this is it. And I welcome you all for subscribing to my channel and tuning into my channel. I welcome you all. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you. Feel free to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. As you can see, all I did was blend fresh tomato and Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper with a little bit of water. Now that my chicken is already set aside and seasoned for at least one good 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add it into the pot and just pour in the blended tomato, fresh tomato that I blend with my Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use a whole Scotch bonnet pepper or half of the Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. So this was the homemade chicken broth. I would say it's a homemade, obviously it's chicken broth. You know how they sell those chicken broth in the store? It's already in the carton and all that stuff. You can simply make your homemade chicken broth. It's just pretty much broth. You know, it's more, you know what it is, what's in there, no preservative or anything. So after my chicken was already cooking into the blended tomato and pepper, I went ahead and simply add the chicken broth. Yes, my homemade chicken broth. And this is exactly how to make your own chicken broth. And if you watched that video already, how I make my, my pepper chicken, you will see how I made the chicken broth. I didn't use much seasoning at all. That broth was tasting so good. So now I'm going to go ahead and use 1 small can of tomato paste. 1 small can of tomato paste. That chicken broth, if I tell you, if you were under the weather, the only thing that it was not spicy, because I didn't add any scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. But I'm telling you, when you're under the weather and you drink just a broth itself, that bone marrow, that broth, it will definitely make you feel better. So I'm going to turn this chicken broth, homemade chicken broth, into another recipe. Yes, like I said, we don't have time to be wasting food anymore. We can use one stuff to make another recipe, and there it is. That chicken broth, that's what's gonna make another meal for me and my family. So I went ahead and add some carrots and some potatoes. Yes, we're gonna make this chicken pepper soup. Yes. So now what I'm gonna do, you can use any type of chicken noodle soup from the box, or it's optional. You don't even have to use that type of chicken noodle soup broth. Whatever chicken noodle soup you can add to it, just to give it that more flavor, because obviously it has a little bit of noodles to it. I'm going to just use 1 box, all right, and pour in the noodles inside. Mind you, I already have my potatoes and my carrots, and the chicken noodle soup comes in with its own chicken seasoning as well. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Although the chicken broth was already seasoned really, really well, yes, but I'm going to just go ahead and add a little more seasoning. Like I said, adjust everything to your liking. Just throw in one box, or you can use that Lipton chicken noodle soup box that you can buy from Walmart or whatever, and add that in there. So I let this simmer down and just cook down, just on a low medium heat. Let it do its thing. The potato was done, the carrot was done. This this soup was so delicious, mind you. It was so delicious. You can actually eat it, drink it as is, without any starch, without any rice, because obviously, as you can see, it's packed with a lot of carrots and potatoes and protein, chicken itself, chicken breast. So as you can see, I let it simmer down and do its thing on a low medium heat, and voila, I have just turned my homemade chicken broth from my last recipe to another recipe for my family. And if I tell you, it was so delicious. Yes, it was so delicious. I hope you guys will try this recipe. You can make your own homemade chicken broth, or you can just simply just go to the store and buy chicken broth from the store. But like I said, if you make your own, rest assured, there's no preservative in it. This was made from scratch. Yes. Yeah. So watch that video, my pepper chicken, and see how I turned that broth into this recipe, and how I made that broth, or how that broth come along. Yes, so this is the recipe that I made, and I'm going to be enjoying this with rice, white rice. Like I said, it is so rich and so thick. You can just eat this as is, because it is very, very hearty. Very, very hearty. Look at it. If you don't want to eat it with rice, you don't have to eat it with rice. Just as is, put it in a bowl and just enjoy, because it's packed with potatoes and carrots and noodles, and also the chicken breast. Yes, I turned my homemade leftover chicken broth into another meal. Isn't that something? Isn't that genius? Very genius, guys. And here I pour it into my bowl that I always, put my this is the bowl that I would put my soups and my stew, and put it in the fridge so that we can, eat it, for 1 or 2 or 3 days, to whenever it lasts, because I don't cook every day. Like I said again, I'm gonna be eating this with rice. It was so delicious, guys. I hope you guys will try this recipe. Make your own homemade chicken broth, or just simply buy your own broth from the store. But if you ever come across or make your own broth, or happen to make a broth like that, do not throw it away, because you can turn that broth into a meal. You can recycle and turn that broth into another second meal for your whole family. And I did not regret it. I'm glad I did not throw it away. It was so delicious and I was hungry, guys. Oh, I am so glad I did not throw that broth away. And I thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget that post notification bell. You'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you all in my next upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye.